let's look into the configuration of the Oracle adapter in WebFOCUS version 9. So first thing is you're going to go to Get Data or Get Data Advanced. Both going to work very similar. So let's start with Get Data. To add Oracle to my list of already configured adapters, the only thing I need to do is, of course, add the adapter. To make it easier, I'm going to search for it. There's Oracle. To continue, you of course can double click on it, or if you use a specific, or if you need a specific version of Oracle configured, right click it and pick the version of Oracle you're looking forward to configure. So you can choose, for example, Oracle 12c or 19c, whatever you want to. So select that one. In the next step, actually, you're going to need in here is the configuration or connection data. If you mistakenly configured the wrong version, so let's say I've double-clicked, as you see, by default, it's going to create the Oracle 19 configuration, which is the most recent version. Let's use connection data in here, configure it. So now it's configured in here. Let's close it up. Go back to Get Data. So from now on, we're going to see Oracle in the list here. You see it's Oracle 19c. So I can go to change settings and change the settings, but I'm not able to change the version in here. So to be able to change the version, one option would be remove it from that list. So that's going to allow you to change it. Again, as you see, all those configuration in here allow you to configure the adapter, but there's no way to change the version. So delete it and reconfigure it, or actually at the end, if I cancel it and I go to my server administration in here. So there's my server configuration files. So second version would be to go into the configuration file of the system. There's my iterserve.cfg file. And if you look through the configuration file here, you're going to see the configured Oracle adapters. And that one includes the Oracle release as well. So if you don't want to delete it, you can change the Oracle release number in here. So let's go for a different one and restart the system to get to a different version. But again, recommended would delete it and reconfigure it. So go back to my data adapters, Get Data. So if I want to go for 12, just remove it, get out of it here, click on plus. Search for it, and now pick the right one in here. That's it.